Your lock is not enough. Meet the invisible fortress. Standard locks fail.
To enter, the Blair alarm
Jammer uses physics against intruders. Perfect for hotels, Airbnbs, or your own front door. Travel with peace of mind. The harder they push, the tighter it locks. No keys, no drills, no chance. Don't wait for a break-in. Link in description. Stay safe. They are watching you, and you don't even know it. Are you alone? Standard checks fail, but this AI-powered beast doesn't. AI protection. It scans for hidden lenses, 5G signals, and GPS trackers with military precision. Seratos % detection from Airbnbs to your own office. Find the invisible before it's too late. OFF Grid now. Your privacy is not a luxury. It's a right. Link it.
Don't use that free USB charger it's called
They
public
hide them in
USB
places
for
you
battery,
never
photos,
suspect.
logins, and banking
In plain
info.
sight.
Safe or carry a
Small
power
enough for
bank.
your pocket.
Much safer.
Powerful enough for your
USB
peace
data.
of mind. Pocket size. Because what you don't see can hurt you.
Do you really trust your hotel? Comment safe if you do. A small price for absolute privacy. Cheaper than a single hotel night. Public charging stations are a trap. Your data is being cut. It cuts the data lines and only allows power. 100 every traveler needs. In 2026, privacy is no longer a right, it's a luxury you have to fight for. Whether you are in a 5-star hotel or charging your phone at an airport, someone could be watching, tracking, or stealing your data. Today, we are uncovering the 3 essential machines that the elite use to stay off the radar. These aren't just gadgets, they are your invisible bodyguards. First on our list is the G618 Pro, also known as the AI Signal Ghost. Traditional detectors are outdated because modern spy cameras now use 5G and encrypted signals. This military-grade device scans the entire RF spectrum. Look at this! When we get close to this innocent wall clock, the signal spikes. That's a hidden lens. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, but powerful enough to find a GPS tracker hidden deep inside a car's chassis. If you truffle, this is not optional, it's mandatory. Finally, let's talk about your digital life. We've all done it, plugged our phones into a public USB port because our battery was dying. This is called juice jacking. Hackers modify these ports to install malware or clone your entire phone in seconds. This tiny USB data blocker is the solution. It physically removes the data pins from the connection, leaving only the power lines. It's like a firewall for your hardware. You get a fast charge, but zero risk of your private photos or bank apps being compromised. The world is getting smarter, but so are the threats. You can either be a target or be prepared. All links to these 2026 security essentials are in the description below. Don't forget to comment protect to get our digital security guide for free. Stay safe, stay invisible. To understand why this is vital, you need to know that every USB cable has 4 wires. 2 for power and 2 for your private data hackers. Use the data wires to bypass your lock screen in milliseconds, installing ghostware that stays in your phone even after you unplug. This blocker physically amputates those data pins. It creates a physical wall that no software, no matter how advanced, can cross. It's the cheapest insurance policy for your identity. Plug it in once and never worry about public juice jacking ever again. Did you know that a thief can empty your bank account just by walking past you? This is contactless theft. They use scanners to read your credit card's right through your pocket. Introducing the RFID Stealth Shield. It's lined with a special military-grade electromagnetic fabric that creates a Faraday cage around your cards. When the signal hits this barrier, it's instantly scrambled and bounced back. Your cards become invisible to every scanner on the market. Total digital silence. Slim, indestructible, and essential for 2026. Because in the digital age, your wallet needs a firewall too. Don't leave home without it. Keys can be lost. Codes can be guessed. But your fingerprint, it's unique to you. In 2026, old-fashioned padlocks are a security risk. Meet the biometric Sentinel. It stores up to 10 different fingerprints and unlocks in 0.5 seconds. No Bluetooth, no apps, no hacking, just pure hardware encryption. Think about every time you've struggled with a rusty padlock or lost your gym locker key. Traditional locks haven't changed in over a century. And that's the problem. They are vulnerable to master keys, bolt cutters, and most importantly, human error. In 2026, relying on a piece of shaped metal to protect your valuables is a gamble you don't need to take anymore. Designed for the real world, this device is IP65, waterproof, and dust. Whether it's on your backyard gate in a storm or your travel backpack in a crowded terminal, it stays locked. And don't worry about the battery. One single charge lasts for over 3,000 unlocks, which is about a full year of daily use. When it's low, just plug it into your